Hello students, welcome to the online Pathashala. Today we are going to learn about reasoning topic, that is about number series. Today we are going to learn about number series and how to find this number series by using a simple tricks. Okay, these number series they will be asking in different types. See, here there are 4 different types of questions how to find out a number series. They will be giving a series in which we need to find out the wrong number, right? There will be giving a series number in a number series and we need to find out using the series which one is wrongly placed, which one is, or else you can tell it which one is the wrong one. So even they might be asking in a question like in this question mark, what is the number you will be getting? Okay, now let's start by doing one by one. Okay, what is the first question here? 7. What is that? 7, 14, 22, 34, 47 and 62, right? 7, 14, 22, 34, 47 and 62. Okay, in this which number is the wrong one? What is the question it is asked here? Which one is the wrong number? Now see whenever the question is given, first you need to check it how it is the question given. If the difference it is in a large number, if the difference is in a large, there you will be mostly using the division method or else multiplication. Okay, if in between these two, if the difference is large, then there we are applying the trick, that is either division method or multiplication method. Okay, now see, by seeing this question we need to get an idea. It is nearest to the table of 7, right? You see here 14 is there, 21, 22, but it is nearer to 21 and it is also the multiple of 7. Here 34, 35, it is, if for 34 the nearest number is 35, so it is also the 7 table. And 47 it is given, so 47 it is nearer to 49 and that 49 is also a multiple of 7. And 62, 63 is the nearest number, it is also the multiple of 7. Now let's see how this series is going on. Now what is given? 7 and 14. 7 2s are 14. Is it anything added? So it is not added, so it is 0. Now after that 7 3s are 21. How 22 has got? By adding plus 1, that is 21. Next what is there? 7 5s are 35. We need to get 34. How we are getting? Minus 1. And next 7 7s are, what is it? 7 7s are 49. We need to get 47 minus 2. Next it is 7 9s are 63. Here what we need to get? 62 by doing minus 1, right? Here once if you observe this, what we have done here only the subtractions, right? We are going on by doing subtractions, right? That means here we have added plus 1. Here we are going into addition. But whatever the rule we are following, it is what? It is subtraction. Here what you need to do? Here also we need to subtract. Then here also what is the rule it will be applicable? Subtraction. But because here remaining all the rules we are applying subtraction, so this also should be undergoing the subtraction. So what is the wrong number here? 22. What is wrong number? 22. 22 is the right answer. Okay, now next we will see here what is there? 9 7 13 10 17 14 21 and 16, right? Here 9 7 13 10 17 14 21 and 16. This is the second one and this is first one, right? Which one is the wrong number? The question is, which is the wrong number here? See, by seeing this, some of these two numbers is acting like one pair, and this two as one pair, and this two as one pair, and these two as one pair. By seeing the question, you need to identify how the series is being given, right? See these two, what it is happening? You're doing minus 2. 9 minus 2, 7, right? After this, 13 minus 3, that is 10. Here again minus 3, right? Here what it is happening? Minus 5, right? 13 minus 3, 14. 21 minus 5, 16. Here how the answers has got minus 2, minus 3, minus 3, minus 4. See here minus 2, minus 3. Here you need to get minus 4 so that the series will be completed perfectly. Here minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, and then after minus 5. Which one is the wrongly placed here? Which one is the wrongly placed one? Question is 17, 23, 31, 39, 41 and 47. So last one, how it is there? Here it should be formed in a series. Minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Here it is wrongly placed. Here minus 3 it is got. So it is incomplete series. It is not in a proper series. So here we are writing minus 4. If it is minus 4, the answer should be getting 13. But the answer is 14. So which one is the wrong number? That is 14. So next number is, next question is 17, 23, 31, 39, 41 and 47. Here these two is acting like one pair, and these two as one pair, and these two as one pair. So for 17, if you add plus 6, what you will be getting? 23. That means you are adding plus 6 here. To 31, how much you are adding? Plus 8 you are adding, right? Plus 8, if you add for 38, you will be getting 39. Again for 41, if you add plus 6, what it will be getting? 47, right? To that 47 you will be getting. That means here is also plus 6 and here is also plus 6, but it is plus 8 here. For this, if it is adding like plus 6, so this series will be completing in a proper way. That means here what is the wrong answer? 39. 39 is the wrong number, right? This is how, this are the questions how they will be asking in a wrong number. That means we need to check it the series in a perfect way. After that, once we need to check which number it will be getting the right number if you keep it in that particular wrong number. If that series is perfectly continuing, so that number is the correct, and whatever the series it is not getting in a proper way, that is the wrong number, right? Next, one more question. It is a question mark question. See, what we should tell the answer what it will be getting in a question mark way. See, what is the question? It is given 3, 19, 97, 391, question mark, and 2, 3, 5, 7. See, as you going from left to right, the numbers is being increasing in a higher way, right? The numbers it is increasing in a higher way. That means here multiplication or division will be formed. Okay, now let's see, we will try for multiplication, right? See, by 3 6 are 18, right? Here we need to get 19. How can we get 19? By using 3. That is 3 6 are 18. That is 8. 3 6 are 18 plus 1. What you are getting? 19, right? By using 19, how can you get 97? For 97, which is the nearest number that is multiple of 19, you need to check. Which number of 97? Which number of 97? Which is nearer to the 97? That is the multiple. That is the multiple of 19. You need to check. That means, now check if 95 is the multiple of 19, right? 19 5s are 95 plus 2, that is 97. 7. That means as you go from left to right, the multiplication number, it is decreasing, right? From 97 into 4. What is 97 into 4? 9 7s are 28, 9 4s are 36, 37, 38. Here we are adding each one number. Again we need to add 3. What you are getting? 391. That means if you multiply 391 into 3, that is 3 1s are 3, 9 3s are 27, 3 3s are 9, 10, 11. That means you need to add plus. Here you have add 3. Now you are adding 4. What you will be getting? 1177. Right? This is the answer. That means if you multiply with 1177 into 2, you will be getting a number 2 3. You need to get 2 3 5 9. This is what the number it is given. You need to get by adding 2. By adding 5, sorry, we are adding 5. You need to get 2 3 5 4. 1172 into 2. What you will be getting? 2 3 5 4 plus 5. That is 2 3 5 9. Here how you have added the rule? The number it is been decreased. Minus 1. Here also decreased. Here also decreased. But whenever we are doing addition, the number is being added plus 1. Right? The difference, what is the trick it is? Here it is. That means here the difference is getting in a larger way. Larger numbers. So, hopefully we will be using multiplication or else division. Right? These are the few models of number series. Here we have, in this number series, we have used subtraction method and multiplication method. Right? Here we have used multiplication and subtraction method, and there are number of questions which will be getting like n square or else n square plus 1 or n square plus n cube. So we will be doing in the next session by taking some more examples. I hope you understand this video. Please like, share and subscribe to the online Pathashala.